Good day everyone, my name is Rajesh Chauhan. In this video we will discuss on are you learning English but you don't have any idea how can you become fluent in English. If you want to know then you must watch this video because after watching this video definitely you can become fluent in English because first of all I will share my journey how did I learn English. If you want to know then you must watch this video. First of all, when I was learning English, on that time I was facing many problems. I think English is difficult. I cannot learn English. But when I keep practicing, and now I result that my English is improving. So my dear friends, first of all I suggest to you, if we are learning English, then we should think that English is a language, anybody can speak English. So if you want to learn English, then we should stop making excuses and we should not comparison to other. Then we should not say that they can speak fluently and confidently but I cannot speak English. How can I solve this problem? So my dear friends, I want to tell you, if we are learning English, then first of all we should stop making excuses and we want to patient. We have to say, today I am not speaking English fluently and confidently, but one day I will speak English. So we should keep practicing, we should keep learning, because first whatever we do first time will think difficult, but when we will do regular, then one day we will get result. So my dear friends, I want to suggest to you, if you are learning English, first you want to patient and you have to say, one day I will speak English fluently and confidently, because English is a language, anybody can speak English fluently and confidently, but condition we have to practice as much as possible. We should stop making excuses. Yes, the people are saying that my English is not improving. How can I solve this problem? So if you want to remove, if you want to improve your communication skill, if you want to become fluent in English, then we should practice regular. Yes, we should not skip, we should not give up, but we should keep practicing. Then definitely one day we will get result. So my dear friends, I want to suggest to you, we should practice as much as possible. Even if anybody say you that you cannot learn English, then you have to say, when other people can speak English, so how can I not speak English? What is English? English as a language. Okay, so my dear friends, you can give answer. Yes, and first Allah, when we are learning English, then we have to think, what is my purpose to learn English? After learning English, what will I do? So when we will discourage and nervous, then we can think our goal, our aim, for what I am learning English. So my dear friends, you will think, you will do like this, then definitely when you feel nervous and when you are discouraged, then you can motivate yourself with the help of remind your goal. So my dear friends, first we want to patient and we have to keep practicing. If you want to learn English, and you should not make excuse that I am learning English but my English is not improving. Reason, first we are not practicing proper. Okay, and second we skip middle the day, middle the week. So we should not skip, we should not give up, but we have to keep practicing. Then definitely one day we will notice many changes, one day we will see many difference. Yes, we should not forget, whatever we do first time we will think difficult, but when we will start, then slowly we notice it is difficult, it is tough. Yes, so like this English is a language. Uh, as many time you will face the same word, the automatic the word will remember your mind. Your mind will remember, your mind will recognize. Yes. So I'm saying you are learning English, then you should practice as much as possible, and you should not say it is tough, it is difficult, so I can't learn. My dear friends, I am telling you, we should, if you have to learn English, then we should not say that first time I will speak English, so I will speak wrong, then people will make fun of me. What will I do? It is doesn't matter. Yes, because we have to think we are beginner. We have to think mistake is a part of our life. Yes, mistake is compulsory. But when we will speak again and again, then definitely we can remove our mistake. If we have to remove our mistake, then we have to practice again and again. We have to speak. If we don't have any practice partner, we can speak before the mirror. With the help of mirror, we can speak English fluently and confidently, because mirror will not judge our mistake. Yes, and when we will speak before the mirror, then after some day, within 30 days, you will notice you you are overcome your fear. Yes, my dear friend, you will notice you overcome the fear when you will speak before the mirror. So I hope you will practice before the mirror. And are you learning English and you are saying my English is not improving? What should I do? How much time should I give? So my dear friends, you should give more time. Whatever you have, you can give, because as the more we will practice, the more we will learn. So if you want to speak English fluently and confidently, then you should give time more to English. Then definitely you will become fluent in English. No one can stop us, because when other people can speak English, so how can we not speak English? When they can learn English, so how can we not learn English? So my dear friends, if we have to achieve our goal, if we have to do something new in our life, then we have to learn English, and we should stop making excuses. Yes, it is not beneficial for us, but excuses are reason over stumbling. Yes, excuses are reason over unsuccess. So if you want to success, if you want to become fluent in English, then you should stop making excuses, and you have to say, today I am not speaking perfect, but one day I will speak English. One day I will improve myself. One day I will become fluent in English. No people who are making fun of me. One day I will reply them. One day I will face them, and after that they will say I was wrong on that day and you are right. So my dear friends, even if you know some content, even if you have some content, you should use in your daily life if you want to become fluent in English. Because for what are we learning English? For speaking. Then we have to speak as much as possible. Even if we have some content, but we have to speak. When we have chance, if you speak to people, speak to among the people. When we have chance to speak, then we have to speak. We should not make excuses. Then definitely after some time you will notice many changes. Okay. And my dear friends, you should not forget your parents, that your parents has many desire, that one day my son will get a job and he will fulfill my desire. If you want to fulfill your parent desire, then you should learn English as much as possible. So I think you will learn English, and definitely you will become fluent in English. No one can stop you. Only you want to patience, you want to confidence that one day I will speak English. No one can stop us. Then definitely you will become fluent in English. No one can stop you. So I hope you will do this, and after 30 days, after 40 days, you will notice many changes. But condition, you have to keep practicing, and you should stop making excuses. it is not beneficial for us. If you have to become fluent in English, if you have to achieve something in our life, then we have to learn English. And how can you learn English? You can learn English with the help of practice. Yes, first all of you have to understand what is grammar. You have to understand grammar and helping verb, conjunction, preposition, and after learning this, first all up you have to clear your doubt. What is preposition? Where can we use? What is conjunction? Where can we use? After that, when you will understand, then after that you can start your making sentences. Yes, with the help of conjunction, with the help of helping verb, with the help of preposition, you can make any sentences very easily. After that, you will not face many problem. After that, you will not confused. But when first all up, you have to understand. Yes, deeply understand. When we have to use, where can we use? And definitely after that you will become fluent in English. No one can stop you, because we should not forget English is a language. As I learned our mother tongue, how can we not learn English language? Yes, definitely we will learn English. No one can stop us. So I hope you will learn English. I hope you will practice, and one day you will become fluent in English. And you should not say that I don't have time. Why are you making excuse? Do you want to learn English? Then you should stop making excuses. And you have to practice as much as possible. Then definitely you will become fluent in English. So my dear friends, you will do this. And so आज के वीडियो इतना ही. मिलते हैं अगले सेशन में. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.